Digital twin essentially is a virtual replica of the physical model that you plan to build. It allows you to solve, predict problems much before the actual implementation on a physical site. You are showcasing an ability to essentially model your entire facility, look at how the workflows, work in terms of what if analysis, understand bottlenecks, understand the impact of your order profiles, your challenges into the automation system. You have the ability to look at the robot statistics, the kind of throughputs they do, but more importantly, it allows you to check if the investments that you're making into your warehouses make sense for the changing business nodes that you have. Not only that, it's also integrated directly with our warehouse execution system. What this means is the digital twin model essentially allows you to build the code, test it, push it to the physical layer, and essentially check the results that you get out of it. What this allows you to do is not only have this tested before you go live, but the digital twin is a living organism that learns as you run the system as well. Which means if your business changes tomorrow, if the order profile undergoes modifications, you could actually test them in the model before you actually implement them.